The other big news, of course, we're tracking is the continuing farmers' agitation. The next face-off is expected on December 8, when the Bharat Bandh has been called. Several political parties, including the TRS, Congress, CPI and the Aam Aadmi Party, have already backed this demand for the nationwide shutdown. Ex-NDA ally Akali Dal, also miffed with the centre government, is also reaching out to other regional parties as far as garnering support for this agitation is concerned. What we're also getting to know that the ministry itself, the agricultural ministry, the minister and the MOSs are engaged in a discussion within themselves as well. We're also getting a hint that before the next round of talks on December 9, a day after the Bharat Bandh, a proposal could be tabled from the government side. Let's also go across to my colleague Amandeep, who's tracking various aspects of how this agitation is moving, especially as far as elements of the farmers' unions in Rajasthan joining or wanting to join this agitation is concerned. He's at various points of the Rajasthan-Haryana border. Haryana government not wanting any more farmers to enter in. Sumi is also tracking the developments at Singhu border. Well, let me first go across to Amandeep. What's the latest where you're at?
देखिए, मैं आपको बता दूं कि यहाँ से अभी मैं फिलहाल राजस्थान के नौगांवा थाने में हूँ, जहाँ पर कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता आए हैं। उससे पहले करीब 1.5 से 2 किलोमीटर दूरी पे ही हरियाणा बॉर्डर है, जहाँ पर ये वाकया घटा, जहाँ पर कंटिन्यू पिछले 1.5 दिन से कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता, एनएसयूआई के कार्यकर्ता किसानों के साथ बैठे हुए थे। वो जाने की जिद कर रहे थे आगे हरियाणा से होते हुए सोना तावड़ू और उसके बाद गुड़गांव, और गुड़गांव से सीधा दिल्ली का रुख करना चाहते थे और वो प्रदर्शन में शामिल होना चाहते थे। लेकिन हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट ने जब परमिशन नहीं दी तो उसके बाद में पुलिस का जो जाब्ता था वो लगातार बढ़ा हुआ था। आज जिस तरीके से उनके उच्च अधिकारी वहां पे पहुंचे, समझाइश की, उसके बाद में जिस तरीके के सिचुएशंस देखी आपने स्क्रीन पर, वो दिखाई दी। अभी फिलहाल कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता राजस्थान का जो सटा हुआ बॉर्डर का इलाका है उसी के पास वाले थाने में है। राजस्थान पुलिस के पीछे जो विजुअल्स आप देख सकते हैं, मेरे कैमरा पर्सन से कहना चाहूंगा कि जो बातचीत है वो चल रही है। तमाम अधिकारी यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं, कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता भी यही हैं। और यहाँ पे जो स्थिति है वो ये थी कि ये आगे जाना चाहते थे, लेकिन हरियाणा पुलिस ने वापस से भेजा और जो तस्वीरें थी वो स्क्रीन पर दिखाई दी, जिस तरीके की तस्वीरें थी। तो यहाँ से करीब 1.5 किलोमीटर दूर ही वो बॉर्डर है, जहाँ पे सारा वाकया, ये सारी जो सिचुएशंस थी, टेंसफुल सिचुएशन, वो वहाँ पे क्रिएट हुई थी। तो उसी को लेकर के कंट्रोल करने के लिए हरियाणा पुलिस, क्योंकि राजस्थान पुलिस भी वहाँ पे पहुंची हुई थी, हरियाणा पुलिस भी वहाँ पहुंची हुई थी और विवाद बढ़ा, तो उस टेंसफुल सिचुएशन में वो तस्वीरें निकल के आई। यस,
Right. We're actually playing some of those visuals on screen, almost a scuffle of sorts that broke out there between the agitating farmers or the Congress workers who are wanting to support the movement. And of course, the police officials, especially from Haryana, who are not wanting to let any more farmers enter their state or go towards Delhi. Those are some of those very sensational visuals that happened where the police was chasing some members. Amandeep, before I go across to Sumi, can you just briefly describe what happened? Because the visuals are very dramatic. Amandeep, can you please describe exactly what happened briefly? Okay, we seem to have lost the line with him. Let me go across to Sumi instead. Sumi, what's the situation at the Singhu border?
At the Singhu border, just a while back, the farmer unions were addressing the media and they were letting know the people what is their strategy for the future course of action. What are they going to do? And this is where the press conference was held, and we can see several farmer union leaders still addressing the media, and they were very clear about the fact that until the government brings about and thinks about the rollback of the law, we will not budge from this very point. And in fact, this is what they were talking about, and they were also outlining the Bharat Bandh as to how they're going to block several toll plazas and every entry point to the national capital. And there are many factions who are extending their support to the Bharat Bandh. The Aam Aadmi Party national convener and also the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, also extended his support on Twitter, and he said that he completely supports the Bharat Bandh. The Congress also came out in support of the farmers and tweeted exactly the same. And this is how we're looking at several factions coming out in support of the farmers right now. In fact, we've been joined by certain farmers here. Let's actually go across to them and ask in detail as to what are they going to do and how are they going to block the several points on 8th of December. Sir, Bharat Bandh आप लोग घोषणा कर चुके हैं भारत बंद का, एंड उस दिन आप लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? आप लोग का आगे का रणनीति क्या होने वाला है यहाँ से?
देखिए, जो भारत बंद हमारी जथेबंदियों ने दिया है उसमें जो एक्सपेक्ट मान लो कि जो मेडिकल सुविधाएं हैं वो साइड पे रहेंगी, उनको कोई नहीं छेड़ा जाएगा और मुकम्मल तौर पे जो है भारत बंद होगा, मुकम्मल तौर पे
होगा. We heard him entirely. I mean, it's gonna be a full-fledged Bharat Bandh, and it's gonna be iconic to see all the dramatic visuals unveiling on the 8th of December. And on the very next day, another 6th round of meetings, 6th round of negotiations will be held. And this time, the farmers are also hopeful that some breakthrough will happen on the 9th of December. Shivani.